Hi everyone, I hope you're doing very well and keeping very safe. So I want to tell you the last step of using the cleaner that you have made. So this is what I had put in last week. Can you see there is a thick sediment at the bottom and there is a much clearer liquid at the top. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have a 500 ml bottle here. Again, it's a repurposed milk bottle. So I'm just going to open this and pour it from the top. Until it fills up. Yes. So now this is my clear enzyme and I can use this for the floor. I can use this for cleaning glass, kitchen surfaces, if you want to wipe your refrigerator, your washing machine, your mixie, whatever, all of that. You can also use it to bathe your pets. You can use it to wash your car. You can use it to wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl. And you can also use this as a fertilizer and pesticide, and also use it for laundry. Okay, so I'm just going to send the proportion out to you in a note so you know how to use what and how much quantity to use. Laundry is used undiluted without any water, but the rest of it is all water to the clear enzyme combination. And here we have the thick one, okay, and we have a little bit of clear one left. So what I do is I mix them both and this becomes my heavy duty cleanser. So the pulp and the clear enzyme will mix together and will give me a consistency of fluid that is easy for me to use. If you like it too thick, you can adjust the amount of clear bioenzyme that you will add to the thick liquid. But I prefer to keep it a bit runny so that I can spread it around the toilet and I can clean it. So this heavy duty cleanser, you can use it for toilets, so toilet tiles, toilet bowls, and also chimney grills. When you're cooking, the chimneys get so greasy, so difficult to clean. So what I would do is take some solution of this, take some water and soak the chimney grill in this for some time. Say 1 hour, 2 hours, because it's very greasy and it takes a much longer time for it to act on heavy grease. Okay, leave it for some time, for 1 hour, 2 hours for chimney grills, and then scrub them clean. You might have to repeat the process to remove all the grease, but for toilets and toilet tiles, you can just leave it for about 20 minutes. It's more than enough, and then you can wash it. And same thing for stainless steel sink and your hob burners. Yeah, so you basically take some of the liquid in the cap. Use the cap well, because it helps you to portion how much you will use. If you pour along with the bottle, you might pour more than what you need, so you might waste a lot of it. Okay, so just pour it in the area that you want to clean, spread it in the area, leave it for about 20 minutes and then wash it clean. Okay, and drains, when you have drains which are basically you have grease or oil, they get blocked all the time. If you have any issues, it is recommended to add bioenzyme into your drains every night, every alternate night. Just add about say 20 to 30 ml of bioenzyme. The thick one or the thin one, it doesn't matter, both of them work very similar for the drain cleaning. The thick one is more effective, so you can also put the thick one, but yeah, whatever works for you. So put them in the drain every night and forget about it. Next day morning you do your work. So all the nights, all the grease gets eaten up by these particles and you would have lesser blockages in your drains. Okay, so that's what it is. I hope you guys had a great time, and I hope you love the smell of it. You can of course add some essential oil into it. You can add lemongrass, lavender, frangipani, whatever that you like, and you can use this very versatile, amazing bioenzyme. Okay, see you guys.